Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm going to guide you how to install Office 365 in your laptop or desktop machine. You have to open Google Chrome or any browser. Then you have to type office.com. It will ask you to sign in. Click on sign in and you have to add your login ID and click on next. Enter your password and click on sign in now. Now Office 365 portal has been opened. You can see here a button install Office. Click on this one and you will see two options here, Office 365 apps and other install options. You have to click on Office 365 apps so that you can install Microsoft Office 365 in your laptop or desktop. A setup file is being downloaded here, you can see. Now you can see the setup has been completed. We have to click on this arrow and click on open. Now Microsoft Office is going to install in your machine. After successful installation, you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all the Office 365 applications in your machines.